Welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Thursday the 6th of August with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at gold, and still a consolidation on gold, but it is drifting, and it's drifting lower. And I think that you've got these momentum indicators that have now sort of unwound. That RSI is unwound back to 30, sort of not really able to get above 30. Stochastics sort of unwound and drifting away. MACD lines never really getting going. So it doesn't look great, really, and what we have got is this consolidation that is now seeing that gold price trading consistently clear below $1,100. This is the hourly chart. Let me just zoom out a little bit to get you a gauge, but this has been the consolidation in the past few weeks, couple of weeks, and that big resistance comes in at 1105.60, but now what we're seeing is a series of lower highs. And it looks to be putting pressure on these, on the coming back towards the support. 1079.50 is the initial level, but obviously 1077 is the big level that we need to be watching out for. But it certainly looks to be drifting back towards a test of those levels. Momentum indicators not all that bad. It's fairly much range bound still, so it's not really calling for an imminent breakdown. You would argue, but still I think that this is going to be resolved to the downside, and I see that any rallies are a chance to sell on gold, so that continues to be my strategy. In terms of resistance levels, obviously you've got these series of lower highs now, and yesterday's high coming in at 1091.80, and then the previous high 1094.60, and then you would argue that this was a bit of a spike high, so the resistance generally comes in around that sort of 1098.80 sort of level. So a few resistance levels for you to work with, but I still think rallies are a chance to sell, and it's going to be breaking ultimately to the downside. So I wish you good luck, and I'll speak to you later.